Lab program number 9. Write YAG program to accept a statement and do the following error detection. Check for the valid logical expression and evaluate the expression. This is also similar to the lab number 8 program for checking the validity of a relational expression. This is for the logical expression. It is having again lex file which has a definition section, contains y.tab.h, stdio.h, c type, and y/val which is an external integer variable, and val local variable. It has rule section which is returning only two types of token, id and number. Id means that it is either small a to z, capital A to z, or it can be any particular letter followed by a digit. If this is accepted, if this is coming as y by text, it will ask for an integer value for that particular variable and it will be passed to the YAG and return the token as id. Otherwise, if it is directly an integer value, it will be accepted as a text, it will be converted to integer, store it in y/val and return the particular value as a token num. All the spaces will be ignored or neglected. New line character will be returned as 0. Any other character will be written as such. And for input to be checked, you have a by/wrap function. YAG contains a definition section which has the header files and the local variable. Two tokens are only defined here, id and num. Your rule section has statement, which is a start symbol here, augment a grammar, statement derives expression. If it is successfully reducing towards statement, means that it is a valid logical expression and evaluated result is what is there in $1. $1 means what is there in expression that you have to print. So we'll see what is the expansion of expression. So it is a logical operator. So you have logical operators double and, double or, and not equal to. So if it is in within bracket, directly what is the expression you have in $2, because this is $1, this is $2. What is there in $2 will be copied to $, and print the value. If one of the operand bracket is missing right parenthesis error will be printed. If there is two AND operator and if it is two operands, means that is successful. This is first expression is $1, this is $2, $3 and $4. So it will evaluate $1 and $4 and store the result in $, and print that. If any right operand is missing, it will print appropriate message. Similarly, for logical and logical OR also will be done. It will evaluate the expression and store it in $, and print the result. And whatever result you are going to print will be in the integer format, so you have to print by using %d. If right parenthesis is missing, you have to print appropriate error message. Not expression, this is not operator is $1, expression is $2. So what is there in $2 should be, note of $2 should be stored in $, and will print. If there is no operand with respect to not, it will be an error. And here we have incorporated the relational operator also for the expression. If you want, you can do this, because your logical expression can be a less than 0 and b less than 0. If it is like that, you have to include your relational operator grammar also. So that is why it is included like this. This is what we have explained in the lab number 8. You can go through this. If you want, you can do this particular grammar protection along with its action. Again, this is a relational operator, not equal to and double equal to. The final tokens are id or number. YAG program has y-way enter logical expression y-way pass, and if this is not successful, it will go to y-way error and print that it is invalid logical expression.